Hey guys, welcome back in another tutorial of the Flutter. In this tutorial we are going to create something interesting. This is interesting because this tutorial contains some touch of AI. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Firstly, we are going to see what we are going to create. So this is our app. This is the image identification app. So whenever user pick image from the gallery, for example, I'm going to select this. So it identifies and give it the label of bird. It is saying that it is a bird and with 99% confidence. Because the confidence lies between 0 and 1, so it is like 99% accurate. Okay, so now if we select this, it will say it is saying it is a train with a 96% surety. So enough with this sample. Now let's create our project. We are going to open the Visual Studio. Okay, let's stretch it. Okay, so now we are going to create a new project with the name I will name it Flutter Image Labeling. Okay, so our project is ready now. Let's add some dependencies because this project is based on Google ML Kit. So for that we need to go to the browser. Here we are going to search for Flutter ML Kit. We'll open the first link. As you can see, it has the documentation of the Flutter ML Kit. It has many projects like we can create barcode scanning, face detection, image labeling, object detection. So first we are going to see how to install this. So this is a dependency. We will copy this and we'll go to our project, open publicspec.yml. Here we are going to paste it. And we also require one more dependency, and that is when the browser. We are going to get it here. That will be image picker. Okay, we'll select this, install. I'll copy this. Okay, here we are going to add our second dependency, that is image picker. Image picker will be used to pick images from the gallery. Okay, so now go to our main class. This code is not is of no use for us, so I will remove this. I'll also remove this, and first I will create a stateful class of, and I'll name it image labeling. Sorry. And here I will call this class. This will return a container with height of double dot infinity and with a child of column. Column will of course children. So column is here, but we want the children to be central aligned. So central aligned in the horizontal section. So I will add cross-axis alignment dot center. Okay. Oh, we just forgot one thing. We should have put this in a scaffold. The scaffold will have the body here. We will add an amper here with the title of text. Text will be image labeling. Okay. So what we are going to do next is we will create some instances of our Google ML Kit. So we will go here, and the things which we require is the late input image, okay, we forgot to add these dependencies. We have pasted it, but we didn't rebuild it. We can do this by command S. Now this will add the dependencies in our project. Okay, these dependencies are added in our project. Now we'll go here and import the library. Okay, so it is working now. The next thing we require is the file. The file will be the picked image which we are going to pick from the gallery. It will be okay. It will also require a dependency. So we are going to add the library. It comes by default, so we just need to import it. Okay, now we need to add our static final image labeling options. Image labeler option will be used when we are going to give the labels. I'll name it options. This will be equals to, of course, image labeler options, and it will have a confidence threshold of, I will say it is 80%. I am asking for 80% threshold. Now image labeler will be image labeler and it will have the options. Okay, now we are going to create an instance of the image picker. What we are going to name it as, image picker equals image picker. Okay, now in the end, the final thing we are going to add is the string text equals, we are going to use it later. Here we are going to define our, as you can see that the label and the conference, we are going to set it later. Now let's create some functions. First we'll create pick image from gallery. This will be async function, and it will require the file image equals await image picker dot pick image, and here we are going to define the image source. We can define it as a camera or gallery. I am going to define the gallery. You can choose camera or whatever you want. Here I am going to give a condition: if image equals null, then it should return, else it will set state. It will say the picked image is equals to file. So I think I just made something. Okay, no, sorry. It will be image dot path. Okay. After that, we are going to say input image will be equals to input image dot form file, and our file is picked image. It's nullable, so we have to add this sign in the end. Now I need to create another function. I'll say identify image, and it will require input image as a parameter. It has created a function which is taking the input image as a parameter. This function will have a list of image label, because the identified image will have a list. I'll say it as a labels, or I'll say image equals await, so it will be the asynchronous function await image label dot sorry, I just got the wrong thing. What is the name? Okay, image label. Why is it not identifying it? Let's copy this dot. It's not accessing. Okay, wait, just it is out of the scope. That's why it is not accessing it. Process image, input image. Okay, so now if image dot is empty, we'll say it return, and also set state text equals cannot identify the image. If it is not empty, we are going to say for image label image in the image set state text will be label is image dot label. In the next line we will have confidence will be image dot confidence. Okay, so I think we are done, but one thing which is required is after all these we need to close the image labeler to save the memory. Okay, now let's come to our UI section. I'll say it as our children. We need to add a condition if picked image not equals to null, this shouldn't be here. If it is like this, I'll say image dot file. Our file name is picked image. With the height will be, I'll say 300 will be the height, and width will be the double dot infinity to take all the width. I'll say it to fix with cover. Else we will add a container with height of 300 with color of colors dot black. Width will be of course double dot infinity. Now we need to say is expanded. Child will be the text. The text will be the text. Let's give it some style. Text style. Font size will be 20. Okay, after that we are going to say why we should state something wrong here. Okay, this shouldn't be here. We need to give the blank space here, so we will say container will come here. After this we need to add the text here. The text will have this and closing bracket. Again we are going to add a expanded so that it will take all available space. In the end we will add a container with a width of double dot infinity, and the child will be the elevated button. Button will have a child of text. Text will be pick image, and on press will be pick image from gallery. Okay, let's give it some padding. We are not going to concentrate on the UI because the main thing which we want to explain is the functionality of this project, which is that after giving it an image, it processes it and then tells us what this image is about, what is in this image. Okay, so I think we are done, or yes, I think we are done. Let's save it and run this project by pressing F5. I hope it will run fine. It has some problem. Yes. Minimum SDK version should be at least 21. Okay. So now we can go in our Android section, app, Cradle, and here we will say the minimum SDK version should be 21. Okay, now let's rerun our app, and I think it will work fine this time. Don't worry, these are just warnings. This won't affect our project. You don't need to get scared of this, because I got scared sometimes. Okay, so now I'll say it to pick an image, and I will pick the bird here, and see, it is working. It says it is a bird with 99% accuracy. What if I select this? Yes, it is working. It says it is a boat, but it is not correct because it is a shape, but it works. We'll say let's pick up the train, and yes, it is working. So I think, or I'm sure you have understand this. If you have any question, please ask me in the comment section. This project or this model which have the identification model is not accurate 100%. No model is 100% accurate, but you can create your own custom models and add it in this project. If you have any query regarding this project, please ask me in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel as fast as possible, or as soon as possible, and also press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I will add a new video. So that's all for today. We'll see you in the next. Good luck.